Yeah, hi all. My name is Amar Ganeshkar. Welcome to the Cloud Ambition channel. So today we are going to create one EC2 instance using default VPC. So earlier I was explain what is a default VPC and what kind of features do we have in default VPC. So today I'm going to create one EC2 instance using default VPC. So this is exercise. So what we are doing, so we are selecting one region. So creating EC2 instance in one of the region, and so we are selecting default VPC. So default VPC CIDR range is 172.31.0.0/16, and we are selecting one default subnet which is no preference, so it can use one of the default subnet from whichever default subnet is available in that region. And we are selecting the one of the AMI default um, AMI, which is free tier uh, Amazon Linux AMI, and also selecting the instance type which is free tier eligible. And we can use we can create a new key pair or existing key pair as per our choice. If you don't have new key existing key pair, then you can create a new key pair. So these are steps. So we will go by step. So I will log into the console, and I will go to the EC2 instance, EC2. So this is let me go just a minute. So this is my console. Okay. So I'll go to the EC2 instances. So I will go to the instances. Under the instances, I will select the launch instances. Okay. So here, just enter the instance name. Just I'm giving one instance name test. You said we can put any name. Okay. And here I'm selecting the AMI. So Amazon Linux AMI. Okay. And here under the instance type, I'm selecting free tier eligible uh, T2 macro. You can select that T2 small as well as per your need, but I'm selecting T2 micro. And here you can create a new key pair, but I'm using existing key pair. And here, so under the network setting, here is option to select the a new key VPC, or you can use default VPC, but I have not created a new VPC. So that's reason here it is selecting default VPC. So now I'm using default VPC, and here I'm not giving any subnet, preferred subnet. I'm using no preference. So it will use any one subnet or all of these three. So that's the reason I have given no preference. Here I have enabled that auto assign public IP. Okay, and then that's all. We need these three details, and just click on launch instance. So it will take 2 to 5 minutes to launch this instance. Okay, so under the default subnet, default VPC and default subnet. So here it is now in pending state. Okay. So once this instance comes under the running state, then it will then we can SSH that instance. Here it has generated a public IP4 address, so we can connect using this public IP4 address. And here it is private IP4 address, which are default VPC subnet range have, right? Like 172.0.0/16. So here this is one of the range 172.31.91.70. So this is our private subnet. Okay, so public is if you wanted to SSH our EC2 instance from our machine, then we can use this. But this is internal private IP4 address. Now our instance is in running state. Okay, and this is default VPC ID, and this is T2 micro instance type. So now instance is in running state. Okay, so let's copy the public IPv4 address. So we are connecting EC2 instance from our laptop. Okay, so that's the reason we need public IP address to connect to the uh, our EC2 instance. Okay, so just copy this instance, go to the so I'm using mobile extreme to connect to the our EC2 instance. So here just edit the session. So copy the public IP address which you have and specify the username. So I'm specifying username EC2 hyphen user, and under the advanced SSS settings, so I attach the my PEM file, whichever PEM file I have attached to the my EC2 instance. Okay, so click on OK and click on double click. So it will open, it will authenticating the EC2 instance. Now I'm able to open. See, this is Amazon Linux machines. Okay, so this is exercise I have done. Okay, so this exercise I have done. Okay, so this is default VPC and default subnet and under the EC2 instance. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to delete this instance, whichever instance we have created under the subnet, and also delete the public IP address, or otherwise that cost will be charged based on the pay and use service. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.